Hi, this is Adriana, and this is a really quick video. Just not to miss my day is day 114, and this is for SalesVision Video Challenge. And we just had a training, a meeting. We were learning about cryptocurrencies, how everything is going digital, and how we can take advantage of that, learn about it, and also about the income producing activities. Every single business should be doing the income producing activities like we're doing in SalesVision, and this is amazing. We're every day we have to do all these activities in order for our business to be growing and successful. So I invite you to learn more about the digital marketing software for SalesVision. This is an affiliate program. If you want to start a business, you can use this marketing agency in SalesVision. If you have products to sell, you are in network marketing and you need to generate leads, just take advantage of the digital marketing software. You will find the link in the description below, and you will be learning tons about everything: how to improve your health, how to have those daily habits, how to generate your leads online, your customers online, the easiest way. Okay, thank you for watching, and just go to the link in the description below. I will take you to the page and you will find more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.